Healthcare vinyl and leather repair services. Creative Colors International Inc. has the certification experience and the tools to clean and restore dental chairs, examination tables, as well as other waiting room furnishings in order to keep your healthcare facility looking fresh and clean. Our team is proud to offer the latest products, methods, and equipment in the industry for medical furniture repair and restoration. We can provide restoration services for furniture anywhere in our medical facilities, such as your patient rooms, administrative office spaces, waiting rooms, research and lab areas, exam rooms, clinical spaces. Thanks to our mobile services, we can bring the workshop to you. Experience the Creative Colors International difference. We're proud to serve all of Douglas County, Colorado, Castle Rock, and South Denver.